I have woken up feeling very funky. So I have my monthly stats on the left side. First week of Feb, I took 7 trades. Second week of Feb, I took 0 trades. And that is just a big light bulb moment. That is a big aha moment, you know?
Hi, and welcome to Headspace. Just take a moment to sit down and take a big deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth.
Hey guys, happy Thursday. I have woken up feeling very funky. Mashed potato, like I told Life Club this morning. I had to go to Manila, pick up my mum, and then came home around 6 and then had meeting at 10. So definitely sleep affects me massively, affects my mental game, my psychology, my mood, my energy, my focus. So just trying to readjust and have like time for myself and to just like recalibrate. Didn't have the best start, but you know, just try be in sunlight, regulate my energy, and having some coffee as well. But yeah, so far this week been again waking up very pumped, except for this Thursday, but that's life and that happens. I think at the end of the day, you just got to learn to recalibrate as quickly as possible and know what works for you. Like if you're not in the best mood, what puts you in a good mood. If you're not feeling rested, obviously then okay, cool, take a nap, cold shower, what is it? Like get yourself to a cafe like I did today and just be quick to figure what that is out and just do it. You know, you don't want to like lag behind. But yeah, that's kind of just the update so far. Happy Tuesday. I basically stopped filming for like a week, or just almost a week. Picked up the camera again. It's been a wild few days, which is why I struggle to film. But anyway, a couple of things I wanted to mention. First of all, my prop firm account with Funded Engineer came back, so that's good news. Secondly, I'm currently on a backtesting challenge with Life Club for this month. By the way, happy March. And yeah, in this video, I'll be answering a few of your questions and also going over some data based on a previous comment 2 videos ago. So if you're liking the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Wow, sweet. Yuck. Just got back from that little walk. I'm currently eyeing up this EU long position. Haven't been triggered in, but got a pending order set, so we'll see how it goes. When I was trading 1 hour, and I would just, all I would wait for is just the close of the 1 hour, and that was it. Actually, I always feel like I could do a little bit more. So I'm going to address a comment from a couple videos ago, which I didn't address in the previous video because I wanted for the whole of February to finish before I actually dig into some data, some stats. So I'm going to dissect this comment. This is the part where how someone will react to what I say is going to be a big highlight as to maybe where they're on their journey, because trust me, egos come out at this point where people think that a certain thing will cause financial freedom or profitability, whereas it's not the case and it's so subjective. So I just wanted to say that as a little disclaimer, because the data or the statistics that you'll see from my own system, from how I traded last month, if you copied that exactly, that you could be profitable, that is not the case. The same way, if I was to take someone's strategy, someone's trading plan and try to trade it, it might be completely different to the results that that person who created it for themselves will be different. Me and you will be looking at the same markets, but we'll be trading completely different. Me and you can have the same similar system. I might hold it over a certain kind of price action. You may not be comfortable to hold it, right? Your risk tolerance is going to be different to mine. So I just wanted to make this disclaimer because I know a lot of people might start seeing this as the secret sauce, or I have to only take less trades, or I have to take more trades, or I should only look at one pair, etc., etc. That is not the case. Anyways, enough of that. Let's dig into the data. I'm using Notion, and if you guys are interested in grabbing a template, an empty template of this, you can see the first link in the description. So I have my monthly stats on the left side. I'll blur out some performance stuff and trading curve on the right hand side. Now to the bottom half of my dashboard, you can see Feb 1, and here are all the trades that I've taken. I've kept in the trade, whether it was a long or short. I have two kind of entry types, M5 and M15, and then I've kept on my session. So if I was just to open one of these, for example, you can kind of see the stats that I do take. I put in the date, put in the time, and the day. Now these are the stats that I actually look at, whereas I know in the question it asks for how long do I hold it. You know, I don't put a time from when I entered or got triggered in to when I got taken out, hit TP, manually closed, or let's say hit my stop loss. I don't track that. Personal preference, I don't think it adds much value to me. However, all I really know is that 99.99% of the time I'm closing it within the same day. Now, in terms of drawdown, again, something I don't look at. I don't really care for it right now. I'll show my trades from January all the way up until Feb. From January to Feb, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in January. In Feb, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. One of my favorite views is the calendar view. Here you can see table, calendar, and gallery. I spend a lot of time mostly on the calendar view. You can see what's interesting. First week of Feb, I took 7 trades. Second week of Feb, I took 0 trades. I took no trades. Third week of Feb, 2. 1 win, 1 loss. Final week of Feb, I took 1 trade. Am I a profitable trader? Yes. Am I consistently a profitable trader? Yes. Will 1 trade define me as a trader? No. Will 1 week define me as a trader? Absolutely not. Remember, when you're trading, you're playing the long game. So it's actually really awesome to see data like this, because this was so dry. Look at this, no trades. And especially when you're coming from a big, let's say, momentous week, like this week where I took even 3 trades in one day. And obviously I cap risk in terms of having a certain amount of positions open or at the same time. So you can see that the emotions that you may go through if you're going from here to here, and it's just part of the process. But when you have data, you can understand that what matters is at the end of the month, end of the quarter, end of the year, I'm profitable. But look, this is the most important thing. This is where the reality is. This is where the mindset of a trader matters, because again, you can have an amazing week, you can have a really slow week. Can you be okay with that? Truly, this is something that catches traders, especially traders on their way. It catches them off guard because like the strategy is profitable, but can they handle moments of dryness or moments where it's popping off? The weeks where it's really good, or let's say even the month that's really good, and all of a sudden you're hit with kind of different market conditions, or maybe something's happening around the world and news is kind of causing a little bit of manipulation and more volatility than, you know, you may be used to, you may be familiar with, and it causes a discomfort. Are you going to be okay with that? Let's say you've had an amazing week and the following week is super dry, or maybe you're being a little bit more hesitant because you're preserving capital because you don't want to get overconfident. There's going to be the 3 kind of people where they've had that winning week and they're super confident and they start taking all sorts of trades, or they've had a great week and they start being a little bit hesitant because they want to keep their money. Or there's going to be the person who just who is aware of both scenarios. Most likely feeling both ways of overconfidence and then missing out on trades. Both scenarios, they've kind of found what works for them. And what will work for them, what will work for me, may not be entirely what will work for you. And that is just a big light bulb moment. That is a big aha moment, Be aware of when you're having dry periods or winning periods.